Welcome back to Saginaw Farms. Jake here. And I need to replace the goat's salt block mineral lick. So we gotta cut this open and place this in. One thing I like about this is that it's in a square rectangle form, so it fits in the holder, because usually you get them and they're like rocks and they're on ropes, so they lick past the ropes and then it falls on the ground, or they eat the ropes. So I will cut this open and I'll see you in a little bit. Cut this open. I'll just take the bale pruners, slice that. Yep, so it's just the same thing as the rock, just in a brick form. And it's got a plastic wrap on it, looks like. So I cut that off too. Alright, it's got the salt rock here. So we're gonna go outside to their other little house and put this inside the holder. It's on the far side of that towered house thing. Alright, inside the goat pen here. And they ate their last one. I don't know, we haven't replaced this in a little while. Probably been a few weeks. So spin the camera around and show you the holder under here. Alright, so it's just under this roof thing here, and for some reason this is not made out of stainless steel, so it rusts. But you can put other minerals and stuff in there besides the salt, and that's probably more corrosive than the salt. But there's their salt blocks. That just helps give the goats their nutrients that they need. And that's it for this video. Short video for you here today. If you enjoyed, hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one. Later.